this video, I'd like to show you how you can use NCBase only with the editor and not using the Dnc-Max at all. So let's start with take a look at our server. Set up a second machine as a server, and on this one I have only installed the license server and the NCBase. This one. And just for this demo, I'm using the built-in sample database that you can install when you install the software. I have it here. And to get access to this one from my client machine, I have shared this folder, this sample DB folder. I can use the UNC name to open the files from our client. So I'll minimize this again. Start the client down here. Now we have the access to the files, but we have this one, the base directory set in the UNC name to the server's path where I have the programs. And we have the machine groups, the two machines that we're using, and we don't have any port attached to it because we are not using Dnc-Max at all. So when we're not using Dnc-Max, we need now we're on a local machine and we have comports connected to this machine. They're connected to the two machines. We have two comports on this local client. So I cannot use this option send because this will send to a Dnc-Max, and we don't use Dnc-Max at all. So rather than do that, we have to open a file in the editor, and we have used this transmit option. So we'll set this up. Machine 1 is a million, we rename it. Now I don't have any real machines here because it's just a demo. So to send this one to the machine, we have to use send, this send. I'm using my virtual comport. Now we have our comport back. We can send it. Send this. Send. We'll send it out to the funnel. Sending from the funnel. And then when you send it, we'll use this one. Hash, send it to the hash. So we're not, so in this setup we don't need the Dnc-Max at all.